Channel 2E is reporting a very big movement by HP. The plan has been publicly announced, but has yet to inspire any growth in HP stock. $HPQ. HP's recent surge in stock prices was due to their earnings report. What is this technical event that should make everyone excited about HP? Additive manufacturing. HP has been involved in bringing manufacturing back to the US, or actually back to local entities through additive manufacturing. 3D printing has yet to catch on in a major way, but in anticipation HP has launched a Global Reseller Program. Ramping up delivery of 3D Prining technology will empower small design and tech firms looking to offset pricing inflated by offshore production and the time it takes for products to ship. Nike worked exclusively with HP to create its midsole 3D printed plates, and BMW has also developed new manufacturing with the tech. Building on our experience of more than 500,000 multi-jet fusion produced parts, we are now scaling our 3D printing business to the next level. Stephen Nigro, pictured above, HP president of 3D printing, said in a statement. Today we are expanding our solutions availability through new resellers and service bureau partners, opening new experiential facilities for customers and partners, and widening our open 3D printing materials ecosystem. While the constant chatter about 3D printing creating new opportunities is primarily in design and manufacturing, this introduction to a reseller program to increase scale shows that the future is not only additive manufacturing job creation, but sales and resell will also create jobs. Use the source link above to read more on Channel 2E.